how to delete previous resume in LinkedIn. So if you want to delete your previous resume in LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first you just need simply search for LinkedIn and make sure to log into your account. Now once you're here, you just need simply go with me option, which is on the top right, and go with settings and privacy. And here on the left side, you will have data privacy, right? Just go with data privacy. Under data privacy, scroll down and you need to go with job seeking preferences. Under that, you will have job application settings. So go with the arrow, which is on the right side. So here you will have your resume. I've not uploaded my resume, but if you've already uploaded your resume, then you will have the option of upload resume right here. So you can simply go with upload resume and upload your resume, your like new resume, and then you will have your old, right? On the old, you will have three dots, and you just need simply click on the three dots and you will have a delete option. So you just need simply delete the old resume and then you can upload a new one from here. So that's how you can delete your previous resume in your LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.